this video we are going to see how we can create buttons like look and feel for internal links or in-app links. So I have added one link here, but it looks like a text links and we want to show it as a button. So to do that, first you need to find out a CSS code for button. You can Google any CSS code to show as a button. So here I have one CSS code. Okay, and I will go to source code. And first, to use any CSS code, you just need to create a style tag, okay, like this, and then copy paste your tag code. Now dot means class actually, so we have created a CSS class CSS for any element which uses the class button. So now we'll add a class to element where we want to apply. So this code will not apply unless you put the class same class to this. So we can change it to my button, and then same class you have to use it to put the reference. So this is my class will have this property and it will apply to the element who have this class my button. So once you save it, then your button will look something like